so here we go. I don't know why there's no line in the corner. So yesterday we created our note card, right? Which had square roots, cube roots, and on the backside triples, which we're going to get to the backside in a bit. But right now we're going to focus on our square roots, okay? The thing that makes this a square root is this symbol here. This symbol here is called the radical or a square root. Okay, it's a square, and we know it's a square because there's no number there. And that's important information. So this is asking me for the square root of 80. Okay, but if you read the directions, what does the directions say? Nathan, read the directions for me.
Identify which two numbers the square root
is between, right? So between is the key word here. If I'm looking at my list over here, I don't see an 80. I see 64, I see 81, and I see 100, but I don't see 80. Do you guys see 80? Because 80 is not a perfect square. Okay, so today we're going to focus on finding what it's between. Okay, so if this is 80, what two roots is it going to be between? 8 and 9, right? So it's going to be between 8 squared and 9 squared, right? So far. Does that make sense to you? Okay, so let's look at 22 super quick. 22 is telling me that it's negative 143, right? Remember that negative is going to make a difference here. So what is it going to be between? It's going to be between negative 11 and negative 12. Remember that negative is going to change your answer. So Angel, you were really close, but you forgot to give me that negative. Again, that's going to be your biggest obstacle for this is to really pay attention to those negatives. If you're not paying attention to the negatives, it's going to trip you up. And it will trip you up every time. Okay, so far so good? So it's between, but it's still not exact, right? So this time I'm just going to ask you for the betweens. Between which two square roots is this going to be? Does that make sense? Does everybody have their card? I need to see everybody's card, and then I'm going to let you guys go. You 40 problems, no, not 30, 20 problems, and that's all you have to do. So I need to see everybody's card. I am missing a couple cards in the air. I need to see your card. Waiting for Mr. Ariano, waiting for Devin, waiting for Emmanuel to show me their cards. Devin's got his card. Come on, Manny, last one.